Thank
Is there
you.
anything else you would like to say about electric cars?
We would love to have it as a sample by a bishop, my bishop,
Yes.
my dad's son bishop.
As a
If
sample.
possible. Thank you.
So Total should donate one to the church.
Oh yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so today we are here at the National Science Week, and this car has eluded us. This is the first electric car to be officially launched in Uganda, and it has been brought to this expo by Total. So in the front, this is how the Nissan Ariya looks. The lights, these LED lamps, they are split into 4 chambers. If you look at it, they are split into 4 chambers and they look really good. It has DRLs or daytime running lights, and you see the big Nissan logo here at the center. We do not have a grille with air spaces here. No, we don't have it. It is fully closed, and it has this nice looking texture on the inside that has been designed with love. It looks really beautiful. And when you look at the front on the side here, you will see that it has sensors, sonar sensors, and then some fog lights down here at the bottom. So these fog lights give it a very nice look overall. It comes with alloy wheels, and when you look at the side profile, I think you can agree with me that this is a beautiful car. It is really good. This one has been brought here by Total Energies to showcase their charging technology. When you look at the back, it has a good slamping profile. Perfect. It really looks serious. Huh? It's a very nice SUV. At this point, if you're liking the video so far, remember to like the video and subscribe. That way YouTube pushes it out to more interested viewers and you support us in that way. So now let's try to get the keys to the city. We got the keys to the city. In here, when you're entering, the door has a suede-like material, then some soft leather here, controls for the power windows, and then also the controls for the mirrors here at the door. We have speakers down here and another tweeter here in the door frame on the A pillar. Now let's look at the screen on the inside. Oh, so the steering wheel comes back. Oh, that's a cool animation. The music, it has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.
Yes.
Okay. No, this is perfect. Let me get the steering wheel lighting up.
The driving wheel.
The driving wheel.
Yeah. Driving wheel.
Yes. Ah, yeah, you can use the camera at the back as well, yeah?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. But overall, this is how it looks. So there's a display in front of the driver and another display just to the side. And then we have these 2 buttons here. We have these 2 buttons and have some tactile buttons here for, you know, like for the indicators. And then we have buttons on this wood-like finish, but it's plastic. And they have these capacitive buttons. They're not tactile. Mainly for AC control, basically for climate control. Okay, so we have memory seats. Here you can set your seat orientation on 1 or 2 for your wife and for yourself. Some cup holders down here. You can open them by sliding this right here. And then we have other controls here. You can click here and it opens. Auto parking. All the buttons that have been given are capacitive. And then we have some storage down here. It is very small storage, very tiny storage. I like those lighting accents there. Look at that. And this one down here in the center. And there's one more here on the door. Those accents give it a very premium look.
Leja, charge your ride. In a world choking on pollution, it is time to take charge. At Leja, we are leading the way in Uganda. We supply and install top-notch EV chargers, fast, reliable and eco-friendly solutions. Make the switch to a cleaner, brighter future today. Contact Leja today.
The seats at the back are like this, they're just wide enough. It's a 3-seater, and we have charging ports here in the middle. We have USB Type-C and USB Type-A. These buttons here indicate that this car has cooled seats or heated seats. That's why it is perforated like this. And the material here is just suede with some very soft leather on the side. And I'm sure if you open these zips here, you should be able to see the locks. There are locks in there for where you can put the child seat. This armrest in the center looks like this. You put in your cups, and it also acts as a cup holder. And these seats can be folded just like this to give you extra storage space at the back. But it has a sunroof here. It is wide enough. It goes all the way to the back. Now at the back, this is how the Nissan Ariya looks. So you can see the boot has opened up, and this is how it looks in the boot. It has a boot cover, and I think if you look here, we have buttons that you can click to close the boot, and it will be able to close on its own. It can be opened from the keys. It can also be opened using the button. You can open using the button on the keys or the button on the inside of the car. Yeah. So today you have seen the Nissan Ariya, and I would like to know, what do you think? Are you excited about electric cars coming to Uganda?
Actually, in Uganda, this is the first time seeing it. But being introduced by Total, there is no question why it is here. Because we've been using Total products for a very long time, and I believe it is good. But my major worry is the price. The leasing is too high. But I'm impressed to have it in Uganda.
Yes.
Yes.
So, yes, the price is a big issue, but remember, this car, you can charge it from your home. So do you think that will increase will it make it more attractive to you? The fact that you can charge it from home without really going to save on fuel?
It will keep us with some discipline, because many of us drive looking for a Total next, so that we may non-top up actually, have 2,000 that can take me at a distance. But if this can charge it at home, it will give us a discipline. One, to go back home early so that you may charge your car, and two, don't forget that you're traveling in time. Yes.
Thank you so much for those views. Is
Thank
there
you.
anything else you would like to say about electric cars?
We would love to have it as a sample by a bishop, my bishop,
Yes.
my dad's bishop.
As a
If
sample.
possible. Thank you.
So Total should donate one to the church.
Oh yes.
You have seen the Nissan Ariya. What do you think about it?
Okay, so first of all, it's the first time I'm seeing an electric car in Uganda. Of course, I've heard of it so much in other countries like in India, but I've never seen or I've never used. But what I think is that it's very good, especially it's like for now, like you see the increase of fuel, for example, but now you can charge it at home and you move. You don't have to be worried like, oh, the fuel is going to be expensive now. You are not sure of how much it will be tomorrow, but at least with electricity you can just charge it anywhere, anyhow you want. So I think it's so good.
If the government promoted electric cars and lowered the taxes, would you be willing to buy one?
Of course, 100% sure. I would wait for that opportunity. Actually, like I can't wait to have that, and I hope it will be very soon.
Yeah.
Because I will be among the first ones to get it.
All right.
Yeah.
Any other opinions about electric cars, or that's all?
Oh, okay. So electric cars, I think it is something that I will not think twice about it. I will just buy. Just that maybe if we have that shortage of electricity, maybe, then I don't know. But I think there is a solution for that already when you promote it. But otherwise, it's very nice.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
So, electric cars are not yet common in Uganda.
Yeah.
And today you have seen the Nissan Ariya.
Yes.
Can you tell me your overall view about it? How are the looks? Is it attractive to you?
Well, the Nissan Ariya is quite a nice car. I love the design, though I would only have the overall view of it, guys having maybe the smaller cars compared to the population that we have in this country. And then how many people can afford to pay for 100,000 USD like this. If they are smaller ones, I'm told they are actually the smaller ones. That would be the best deal for Ugandans. So far, I like it because when I'm in Canada, I actually use a Nissan. And Nissan Electronic is a hybrid car, so basically takes a very little fuel. When you are driving in a lower kilometers, it gives you more of an electronic car. So this being a complete electronic car is a big deal for our country.
Well, I'm happy to hear that you've used an electric car.
Yes.
So are you excited about the electric cars coming to Uganda?
Extremely excited.
Thank you so much.
I think I'm going to do the smaller one. I've been told about 50 something USD.
Yeah, the smaller version of this.
Yeah, so I think I'm going to do the smaller one.
All right,
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay, my pleasure.
The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.